Hello everyone, Sid here, back again with another video. In this video we're going to discuss about Express. So why we need to use Express? Just because of we have a lot of libraries in Node.js. So Express is a very popular package manager in Node. So how you can use Express? So I'm going to show you. We have npm. I'm going to use this npm, which is a node package manager, and inside of the node package manager I am going to type here express. Okay, so just click on express. So you can check this is already installed a lot of many times, many developers installed. Okay, so now look how this is working. Okay, so suppose this is created constant express. Here the package name is the express, and here the given name is the app. So just I'm going to show you, don't worry about it. I'm going to copy, and here I'm going to open new tab, and here I'm going to type npm space I and node. Sorry, this one I want to use again. I'm going to close basically. Okay, so here node space I, even you can type here install. So I have written as node space I. Again I want to type express. This is not node, this is npm space I express. Now this will work. Now once this is installed, I'm going to check this is really installed or not. So here I'm going inside of the Vice package.json. You can check express installed, version is 4.17.1. okay, so this is done. So now I'm going to create new server. I'm going to remove this one. Here I'm going to type as express, and here require express. Okay, once this is done, I'm going to create new variable with the name of app, and this app will be called this express. Okay, once this is done, again, so I am going to use as a route app.get. Get is method basically, and inside of the get method I am going to use bracket, and inside of the bracket we need to pass two arguments, which is first in URL. Suppose if we have about, so I'm going to put here about something, and second arguments is request and response. What are the request and response we passing? Suppose I have one request and response, and after that I'm going to use arrow function. Even you can use as a normal functions. So arrow function is really easy to use normal functions, so I'm so much familiar with arrow function. So I'm going to type here arrow function. After that I'm using curly bracket, and after that here you have already seen the last tutorials. We have pass, which is and dot, sorry, response dot and. So here we need to write send. Suppose I'm going to pass here hello programmer. Okay, suppose I'm going to run npm run server. Check this is working or not. Definitely this will not work because we need to run server also. So I am going to put app.listen. Inside of the app.listen we need to pass port number. So I am going to put 9000 something. Okay, so let's start. I am going to run. Oh, get not be completed because we have written here as about. Let's check hello programmer. Even you can pass something h1 tag also. No, this is working fine. Suppose if you want to remove this one, you need to just change from here Wow, that's amazing. This is working fine. So if you have any doubts related to this video, please comment on comment section. If you have not subscribed this channel, please just click on subscribe button. And if you have any doubt, please don't forget to comment on comment section. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubt, please comment on comment section. Definitely I will try to resolve your query. If you want more video, please comment on comment section which type of video you need. Definitely I will try to make. Thank you for watching.